Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Toyota Sienna. This convenient feature allows you to warm up or cool down your minivan before you even step inside, making every journey more comfortable. We will focus on using your key fob, a simple and effective method for activating this function. Let's get started with the basic steps to prepare your vehicle. To activate the remote start, first ensure all doors are closed and locked. Then, press the lock button on your key fob 2 times in quick succession. Immediately after the second press, press and hold the lock button for about 3 seconds. You should see the hazard lights flash a few times, indicating the signal was received and the vehicle is starting. Once the remote start sequence is successful, your Sienna's engine will begin running. For hybrid models, you might not hear the engine immediately, but the dashboard lights will confirm it is active. The vehicle will run for 10 minutes, providing ample time to adjust the cabin temperature. If you need more time, simply repeat the key fob steps for an additional 10 minutes. For your safety, always ensure your Sienna is parked outdoors in a well-ventilated area before using remote start. Never use it in an enclosed garage due to exhaust fumes. Remember, opening any door or pressing the brake pedal will automatically shut off the engine. The key fob typically works within 80 feet, but this range can vary with environmental factors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.